Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to see the conversion of BGR image to RGB image. Actually, we can convert in two methods. One is directly by reversing the pixel values, and another thing is the inbuilt function which is present in CV2 package. Now, let me explain the code. Yes, from command prompt, open the Jupyter notebook, and now I am going to read the image. I am going to display the image. Yes, this is our BGR, guys. Actual image is RGB only, but when we are using Matplotlib, by default we are getting in terms of BGR. Nothing but this is our BGR image. What is our aim of today's experiment? Converting BGR to RGB. As I mentioned, there are two techniques. One is directly by reversing the pixel values. Nothing but uh, let me consider another new variable b. B equals to a of colon comma double colon minus 1. Nothing but it reverses the pixel values. Now I am going to display the image B. Yes, this is our RGB image, and we have converted BGR to RGB. Nothing but this is our aim of the today's experiment, and we performed it successfully. But there is also another approach to convert BGR to RGB. For that, in CV2 we are having a function, inbuilt function, that is CV2 dot convert color. And in this, we are going to pass two parameters, guys. One is our initial image, nothing but BGR image we are going to pass. And to which image you want to convert? Nothing but BGR to RGB. That this is what we want to convert, but it is present in CV2 dot package, and it is regarding color. So now just let me run it. Just a second, you need to store it in some variable, right? Let me say it as C. Again, let me run the cell. Yes. Now we are going to display that C. Yes, you can see we got RGB image. This is the conversion of BGR image to RGB image. Now similarly, in the next lecture, we are going to see how to convert this RGB image to BGR image. Hope you all understood, and it is very simple. If you are facing any doubts, you can drop in the comment section. There are two techniques. One is just by reversing the pixels. This is the direct value, and this is the inbuilt function one. And remember that one in Python, there are lots of inbuilt functions. How those inbuilt functions work? Sometimes interviewers may also ask you during your interview rounds. Then you need to explain this logic, guys, how actually it is happening. This is the thing you need to explain, and this thing is performed by some of the inbuilt functions. That's the reason you got the same outputs. You can see there is no difference between the both the images. Thank you.